Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on People HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in peoplehr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for People HR. Click on the login button at the top right corner and now click on the login button at the center. You will now be asked to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account and then tap on the submit button. You will then be asked to enter your account password. Just type in your account password within the given section and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on People HR right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the forgot password or the reset button within the password page and you can click on it in order to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on People HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.